Okay guys, welcome back. So today I'm going to show you how to spot trade on MEXC Global. So let's get started as a beginner. Now what you need to do is open your MEXC app, and after that you make sure you click on your trade, and you must make sure you are on spot. So the next thing you're going to do is now click on tapping this app icon. Now click on buy. Once you click on buy, you have to log in first before you be able to do all this one. So you have to, once you log in, you'll be able to buy and you'll be able to sell. So make sure you log in, you log in there, and you'll be able to buy and you will be able to sell. It's very simple. So if you find this video helpful, click the like button, share and comment.